Hi, in front of me I have Fossil Q Wonder, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the developer options on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll all the way down and select the system option. Now scroll all the way down and tap on the option called About. Right here, scroll down and find the option called Build Number. And now start tapping on this option until you see the message called, or rather that says, you are now a developer. So keep tapping until you see you are now a developer. Then you can swipe right on the screen to go back, swipe right again, and right here below the system you should see the developer options. Tap on it to open the menu, and here we have the developer options menu. As you can see, we have quite a few developer options. We can enable them or disable them by tapping on the switch. So for example, if you want to enable something like stay awake when charging, you can enable it by tapping the switch. You can also enable the ADB debugging by tapping the switch and tapping the check mark. You can enable something like bug report in menu, show tabs. So basically, if we tap on the screen, we will see where we are tapping and stuff like that. Okay, let's disable the ones we enabled, like that. And once you're done, you can simply swipe right to go back to a normal menu like this. And that's how you enable the developer options on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.